So in this video we're looking at a CPR scan for next week. So we are on a weekly CPR scan, weekly CPR, and it has to be above the 200 moving averages, all the moving averages, right? So we're looking for bearish stocks. So we're only looking at stocks which are weekly options. Okay, let's do a scan. Okay, so I just picked two stocks which are basically a downtrend. Okay, so first one is RIBN chart. So we are in a 1 hour time frame, weekly CPR. Okay, so let's look at RIBN. Okay, so you see the CPR is trending down, RSI up, unbalanced volume up. So you want to wait for the candle to reject the CPR and then come down before you take the trade. Okay, RIBN is first one. Second one is BNTX. Okay, BNTX. You can see clearly the CPR is coming down, RSI up, QQE up, unbalanced volume up. So you want to make sure it's the candle rejects before you take the trade to the downside. Okay, just wait for the candle to reject. Okay, so these are the two stocks. Let me look at one more, CRWD. Okay, CRWD. Okay, it looks like it's down, but now it is up. Okay, so you don't want to take this trade. Okay, let's look at the index HACK. Okay, it's a ETF for all the cyber security. That also is showing the same patterns, trending up. Okay, so you want to watch out for this one. So only two stocks we have is BNTX and RIBN. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe and comment. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.